G'day, it's Mark here at Combi Life. We've got Dean here today. Dean, welcome to Combi Life HQ.
Thank you.
Dean's got an awesome 4Motion crafter, mid-roof, self-made fit out, about to hit the road. You're about to hit the road, sail up out of Sydney and see Australia and find a nice place to call home.
Yeah.
Can't think of a better way to do it than in a Uber Combi like this one.
Right,
so
exactly.
It's fantastic. Now, one of the challenges is insulation. The craft is relatively new. There's not a great range of accessories. We're slowly trying to build it out. So we've seen efforts like this. Tell us what you did here. Tell us a bit about this one.
I just mapped out the basic shape and cut out my own one, which I got from online, from this rubbery insulation. I don't know exactly what it is, and I don't know how well it really works in really hot weather, because we haven't really had any.
Not lately with all the rain.
But I'm sure, it doesn't roll up very well.
Yeah.
I'm sure what's in these guys is going to be much better.
So as a lot of our Combi fans will know, we've had great ThermoMats for the transporters, the caddies, the multivans and so on. And we've just received, in addition to our normal, we've got our normal boxes and bags of this ThermoMats with suction caps. There's a great new product just arrived, which has magnets. So it doesn't then end up leaving. They come in a great bag, a little bit taller bag, because we'll see in a minute why. But the suction cap version leaves marks on the window, of course. But this is magnetic. It's for the new crafter, and as you can see, we've got a metal frame, of course, all the way around. So let's have a look here. That's just clicking into place. That's installed. Done. Haven't had to lick suction caps and see them come off in the heat and all that sort of thing. So that's pretty cool. That's in. But the problem we've got, Dean, of course, is there's no metal around our windscreen. It's all plastic. So how does the magnetic one work there? Let's find out. Let's go and have a look. So give me a hand here.
Sure.
Okay, so we're going to try and make this work. So I think that's the bottom.
Goes towards the window, yeah.
I think that's, just make sure I've got the bottom here.
Yep.
No, sorry, the other way around.
This is the way it goes, the shiny stuff.
Yes, so we're going to go this way.
Oh yeah, well.
Okay, because we've got the mirror surround. So that's got these rods in here. And these rods, because we don't have the suction caps, the rods go right down to the bottom of the windscreen.
So that tucks up there like that.
And then we can, tucks in, and we can pull that around. This is our first go at it, by the way. Just hoping it all works and fits nicely.
Easy as that.
That is pretty good. This cabin is pretty dark now. If we had the doors closed, we'd definitely be putting the lights on. So there we go. The new Crafter 3-piece ThermoMat set for front cabin. Magnetic application on the driver passenger doors, and application with the assistance of these rods to hold it up firmly against the windscreen. 7 layers, very, very effective, not just for keeping the warmth in winter, but in summer to make sure there's lots of heat reflected and keeping our cabin cool, keeping the fridge doesn't work as hard, the battery's not as taxed. So there you have it. It's on the Combi Life website now. Link is below. Thanks for watching. Welcome the comments. Any questions, give us a buzz. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Dean. Thanks very much for helping today, and have a great trip around Australia. Fantastic.
I will.